Hi, my name is Molly Kitchen, and I am a Gleim campus rep for Grand Canyon University in Phoenix, Arizona. So, I have received this huge box here full of amazing materials and gifts that I can use to promote Gleim study materials on my campus and for my own benefit in studying for what I will be taking the CMA exam. So, let's see what's in here. So, in this box, I have found a lot of good resources that I can use and I can share with my friends and colleagues on campus about Gleim study materials. So, these ones here are really nice. So, they're about the different exams that you can take that are associated with accounting and accounting certification. So, here's the EA exam prep, the CIA, the CMA, which I am going to be doing. Very excited. That's a certified managerial accountant. So these just kind of give you a little bit of information about the CMA exam, how we can prepare, and basically promoting Gleim on how Gleim helps you prepare to be your best and to perform well and be able to pass. But basically, it's a resource that I can hand out at a tabling event or to my friends and colleagues. I was thinking about doing classroom presentations with my professors and with my classmates to tell people about how we can best prepare to take these really hard exams. Here you can download a free copy, and then it gives the link, so that's really helpful. And then there are more, of course, for the CPA exam, the very big one, and then the CIA. So these are really helpful so that everyone can get what they're most interested in, and I can talk with people and see what they would like to hear about, and then hand those out to various people. Here are some awesome deals. There is a 20% off on the CIA review and then the CMA review. So that's really nice. Everybody loves a good discount. Those, there aren't as many, so I might hand those out to friends. Just kidding. Those I can use at tabling events, can be prizes, but they are very generous with how many they've supplied me with. So those are some great things that I can be handing out. I also received some materials to be promoting Gleim as a campus rep. This is really cool because then in the future other people can become campus reps and get to do the same sort of thing that I'm doing now in order to receive free study materials, which is really such a help. So that's really awesome, and I can promote that. There's a free career guide. So on here, let's see. This career guide is really helpful. I honestly used it when I first heard about Gleim as well. So they have a careers in accounting booklet. They give you a link at the bottom here. And that was really helpful for me to understand kind of what I was getting into with like becoming a certified managerial accountant, what that looks like today, what the exam looks like, what the expectations are. So this is really, really a helpful guide for any accounting student to decide if they want to become certified, what it takes, and like what are the benefits. And there definitely are many benefits. So this will be really helpful to hand out to others. There are also some more infos on Gleim study materials. And this is interesting about the benefits of doing both your CPA and your CMA. So definitely we'll be handing those out at future tabling events. In addition to the tabling events, I've received many pens, which we accountants, we love our pens. This one I love. It has a stylus on it, which I just find so cool, and a highlighter. So You only get that with Gleim. These are the good things. Let's see, I also got a lot of Post-its, because there's always something to do and something to write down. And I received some folders with Gleim exam prep. The leader in accounting exam prep for over 40 years. I also got this cool water bottle. It says Gleim exam prep, CPA, CIA, CMA, and EA. Join the millions who have passed with Gleim. That phrase is also, let's see, where is it? I received this shirt. Join the millions that have passed with Gleim. And this will be my campus rep shirt. So I'm actually excited because most of the time when you receive free shirts, they're kind of ugly. But I like this one, so I'm excited. So I'm excited to be a campus rep. I also received some shirts to give away. This one says, sorry, LIFO of the party. Gotta love our accounting jokes. It keeps us young, you know? Helps us not to get torn down by all the numbers. This one says future CPA. Cost I said so. And then I also got, I love this one too, be audit that you can be, which is a little pop socket. So, some fun things here. I also received some cups that I'll probably be using, one to hold up the pens at tabling events, and also, of course, just to give away. It says Gleim exam prep, as well as their Join the Millions who have passed with Gleim. So these are really nice. You can't have too many of these. And I also received a poster. So, oh, and then this, sorry. I was so excited when I saw this. I felt like such a nerd, but cost and managerial accounting. Okay, textbooks are expensive. I just got this, and I'm really, really excited. Sorry. That was actually really cool what I just read, but these are just really nice. It just shows how generous Gleim is. Like, this will really help me in my classes today and in studying for the exam. So I'd encourage you, if you're watching this, sign up for Gleim. Gleim is really an amazing company to work with, an organization. They have been so kind and generous with me, and I know based off of the resources that I've used online with them that they will prepare us to take these exams. And they've been doing this for years. They've been ahead in the industry. I'm really excited to get into this. I also received one for financial accounting. So it's amazing. I'm really impressed right now. Speaking of that, now it's your turn. So, all in all, got a lot of good things. Very excited to get started with working with Gleim and tabling and telling my friends and colleagues about this, and start sharing all of these wonderful resources that I've been given. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Study hard. I got this, and I got this huge box. I can't speak. I'm so excited. I got this huge box, and it has a book for cost and managerial accounting, and I'm just so excited. Look at that. questions and explanations. Sorry, but that's exciting.